Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafatin binti Abdul Rahim. So today I will share to you guys about what I have learned on Karnival Jom Sains, which being held on last Tuesday. So I will share about elephant circulatory system. So basically, elephant and humans share the same circulatory system since elephant and human also can be categorized into mammals. So the organ that involved in circulatory system is heart, blood vessels, and blood cells. So we go to heart first. So the heart is a complex muscle that pumps blood through the three divisions of the circulatory system: the coronary vessels that serve the heart, pulmonary, heart and lungs, and systemic system of the body. So heart is a muscular organ with four chambers, which is right atrium, left ventricle, and left ventricle. So the function of heart is to pump blood through the network of arteries and veins called the cardiovascular system. So blood vessels have artery, capillaries, and vein. So artery carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the body. Veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. So the superior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood into the heart, and the aorta carries oxygenated blood from the heart to organ and tissues. So and also capillaries surround body cells and tissues to deliver and absorb oxygen, nutrients, and other substances. So the last organ that involved in circulatory system, which is blood cells. Blood cells can be categorized into three major types, which is red blood cells, platelets, and white blood cells. So red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells ward off infection and are vital to the immune system. And also platelets help the blood to clot to where if they injured or something, so the blood can clot and the animal cannot lose too much blood during injuries. And this is the structure of heart, and the heart consists of four parts, like I said: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So the ventricle part is much larger compared to atrium, and ventricle also have high pressure compared to atrium because the ventricle needs to pump blood throughout the body. So oxygen and carbon dioxide travels to and from tiny air sacs in the lungs through the walls of the capillaries into the blood. So blood flows from right atrium into right ventricle through the open tricuspid valve. When the ventricles are full, the tricuspid valve shuts. This prevents blood from flowing backward into the atria while the ventricles contract. Blood also flows from left atrium into left ventricle through the open mitral valve. When the ventricles are full, the mitral valve shuts. This prevents blood from flowing backward into the atria while the ventricles contracts. And blood leaves the heart through the pulmonic valve into the pulmonary artery and to the lungs. Blood leaves the heart through the aortic valve into the aorta and to the body. This pattern is repeated, causing blood to flow continuously to the heart, lungs, and body. So, if they have similarities, elephant also have some difference from humans, which is elephant have a higher blood pressure than humans because their blood vessels are longer and wider, with some reaching an amazing 3.5 meters in length. And elephant hearts pump approximately 28 times each minute, which is much slower than human, which is 70 times per minute. And the elephant's hemoglobin also has an increased affinity for oxygen compared to other mammals due to their size is so much larger than other mammals. So this is video that I have recorded on Dr. Gita on the Karnival Jom Sains. Karnival Jom Sains on the last Tuesday, which she shared about wild animals, which is tapir and elephant and other animals. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy and get some infos from me. Thank you.